Guys, as I told you about my setups, how I usually work with my setups, today there is a strategy that I used. Always it's SMT, Fibonacci, clear FVG, visible break of SSL or BSL, and then enter on FVG. Yeah, for today's trade, today we was having CPU, yeah, CPI, sorry, CPI. Today was having CPI at 8:30, and after having CPI on 8:30, here is how the price was going. When we see on G4X how it was, uh, the price was like right here. Let's go on print the widget and then find where it was today. Let's see how today was. Today started right here. Like we can even get rid of this. There's nothing to see about here. Everything is explained. We did explain everything here. Yeah, here we are on time frame of 15 minutes. Then as I told you, every time I trade during 9:30 to 11 right here. Yeah, this is the window I always trade in. So as I told you, today we was having CPI. It's a news. It's a news that comes with the volatility in the market. Like when you have a stop loss or you have anything, it doesn't care about it. Like it was here at 9:30. Let's see how it was looking like. This one was CPI at 9:30. Then I marked the high and low of it, this, and I waited for the price on 9:30. Then we switch on 15 to 1 minute and see how 9:30 opened. We was waiting for the price to break either high or low so that we can make our trade. As we see here, we already break the high of the CPI, so we waited for the price to make to remove this low right here. Waited for the price to remove this low right here. As here it already removed it, but it didn't cross below this low, so we wait for another candle. Yeah, this is a good confirmation that the price is already it breaks the low of here. And then the next thing we want is for the price to come back into 50% of Fibonacci, like right here. If it comes into right here, we will buy. Oh no, we will sell, sorry. As we did this low, we increase the Fibonacci as right here, and then setting the sell stop right here, sell limit, sorry. Sell limit was looking like this, sell stop was looking like this, the stop loss was here, and I was waiting for the price to come back into this fair value gap right here, and then make this move. This was the move that I wanted. Yeah, but the market didn't cooperate with me, because after this move it didn't trigger me into the, it didn't come back into this fair value gap. Like when we play it, you see how it goes. But when you see here very well, the price didn't touch on this FVG. Yeah, for the broker you use or broker that we are using, for me the price didn't trigger me in. So this is how it did work out. Yeah, this was the trade. But for me, I didn't get triggered in, and this was supposed to be our trade. Like I was needing a little push, like right here into this FVG. Like if I make it like this, I think it will be clearly visible. Like this was my FVG. I needed the price to come back into this FVG so that it could drop down right here. And these things didn't work out. But this is the idea. It really works every time. And here for the on the when you see from trading view, you see how I didn't get triggered in. Yeah, the trade should have gone like this, but I didn't get triggered in. Yeah, this happens every time in the market, but the idea, as you see, it's SMT right here. After making SMT, you let me break down these things a little bit. Like you see here, it was an SMT on US 100. Yeah, after making this SMT, you wait for the price to break this low right here. After breaking the low, you have to find the FVG into right here. FVG that is in 50% or 60% of the price of the move. So it was right here, and it didn't trigger me in. But if the market should have gone into this FVG, we would have been in profit. Yeah, this is what happened, and see you guys. But I know this trade works every time, and I assure you that even if it didn't work today, I know it always works. Yeah, this was for today. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.